Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm and heartfelt welcome from me. If you remember, in the previous session we worked with Cron tab and we made it add a record to one of our apps so that it adds a record every 5 minutes. Now we are going to deal with timing and how to set up the desired elapsed time for our cron tab. As we mentioned, we can choose different time periods such as daily, monthly, or yearly ranges of time, and or we can choose certain times like every Saturday. But how does it work? What we need to do is at first we have 5 asterisks. The first asterisk is the minute. Now I have set *5, that is every 5 minutes. Now if I wanted to perform the action every 10 minutes, I just need to say */10. Now my cron tab does what it does every 10 minutes. So the first asterisk is 4 minutes and it is between 0 and 59. The next asterisk is the hour, which can be set between 1 and 23, or 0 and 23 to contain the 24 hours. It can do the action hourly. The next asterisk is for the days, which can receive from 1 to 31. And the fourth is for month, which receives values from 1 to 12. I can set it as 3, for example, or I can say every 3 months. And the last asterisk is the weekday, which is from 0 to 6. Okay, and we can have 2 models. We can say once a month, just like we have said here, every 10 minutes with a /10. We can say in the month section /2 every 2 months, or /1 every month, or we can say in which month, not every 3 months. We need to remove the asterisk and add the number 3. Then it knows that the third month will be the period to check. Here, for instance, instead of month, I can remove it and set 3. It would be the third month, that is the third month of every year. It would run cron tab. We need to set the timing right so that they match together. We cannot say every 5 minutes and then every year and activate all of them together. It needs to be something logical. So the first one would be the minutes, then hour, then day, and then the weekday. And for more information on how you can set up the timing, you just need to search cron tab timing charts on the internet or anything related to it. There are sites where you can get the necessary codes for every timing format that you're probably going to need, as you can use it there. For those of you who are interested in knowing more details on things related to cron tab.